Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just going to tag people in the group. Good morning. I'm going to tag people in the group. Good morning. I just remember I have to be someplace too. So this is not going to be long at all. But good morning, everybody. I'm here when I should have been in Texas, but it's all good. Good morning. So I quickly wanted to talk about seasons. And I know you guys, we hear people come into your life for seasons. You know, that relationship was just for a season. That friendship was just for a season. Hey, Lonnie. And we are all in different seasons at different points. So quickly, I want to say that thank you guys for being a part of this group and just taking this journey with me. It is such a roller coaster. But now we've almost come to the point where we've all been acquainted for almost a year, especially the ones who have been here since, I believe, August is when I kind of really jumped in and started putting this thing in motion. So by the end of the summer, most of us will have been acquainted for a year, and that is actually amazing because the group has been very high volume and very a lot of people just constantly talking, engaging, creating, hey y'all, and just doing amazing things. So with that being said, I am only your teacher in the season that you are in for right now. I planted a seed, and I told Veronica this the other day. I planted a seed, and you all took the seed, you watered it, you nurtured it, and then it became something beautiful. And it's beautiful growth that you all have created with information you have learned from this group, from me, from our processes and all of that. And just me being willing to share, because it does take a lot of energy and time to just dedicate it to one or a few things, or in my case, a lot of damn things. But I'm excited because a lot of you are seeing increase in sales, increased in income, and just learning something that makes you excited to learn more. You won't be able to learn everything that you need to know from me. And I, for one, am okay with that. I know that I can't teach you everything. I know that I won't be everything you always need, but I'm glad that you were here with me in your season or in the season that I am in. So again, I just want to thank you guys for being open and willing to accept my harsh way of teaching, my in your face, girl, you better get this shit done. Listen, boy, listen, that's just how I am, kind of in your face. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was if you are in a moment where you are still in fear of following your dreams, I need you to speak up. I need you to say something. I need you to speak up about why you fear following your dreams or what is holding you back. And you bet not say money, because we have talked about multiple ways to get shit started without any money. So I just need to know why you are still holding back. If that is you, please message me or make a comment wherever you need to make it. What's another thing that I wanted to talk about? Shit, I done forgot. I forgot, y'all. But I just wanted to come on and say that I'm still learning. We'll all be in the season of learning. But this is what I want to say. Please. Now, I'm not accepting because I don't like talking to people, but people is the only way. No, it's not. It's not. But if you want it to be, then yes, you do have to talk to people. But there's ways around that. If you Now, there's not anybody that I'm willing to accept to this group. I don't even care if it's a celebrity who is trying to join this Facebook group. You ain't getting in. We full. And I like where we are right now. So we are at a good place, and there's a good amount of people in here, and I think the vibe is off the chain. The energy is amazing. But if you feel that I have helped you in some way, the biggest thing that you can do for me, because I don't want to, I don't want to charge you guys for things unless you need it. So I need new people to follow me so I can make these coins. So if I have helped you in any way, grab my links and share it with people. If you are in a Facebook group and someone is like, well, how can I do journals, or how can I publish a book, or something about t-shirts, y'all better tag me. Please don't keep me a secret. I like attention, so please share my information with people who've never heard of me, who may not be following me, and I will do the same for you. So don't keep me a secret. Let the world know that, hey, I follow this chick. She real bomb. She can teach you how to publish a book. She can teach you how to publish journals. She's very straightforward. She don't be out here lying for likes. You know, she's a Cardi B fan. She like to twerk. She from the South. She a little country. She a little hood, a little ratchet, but she's very relatable. So yes, do all of that. Okay. I need to put that on a shirt. Don't keep me a secret. I'm so serious. That's the only way that I can grow, is that the people I've helped tell the world about me. And speaking of that, let me snatch y'all edges real quick, because I'm still waiting on these video testimonials, these written testimonials, and y'all playing games. Y'all are playing games. Listen, if damn Judy or Super Act y'all ask for a video testimonial, y'all come up in that shit with boogers in your eyes ready to record a video. So keep that same energy with me, please. Thank you very much. That's all I'm asking. A quick video if you like being on video. If not, a nice, simple, handwritten, not handwritten, but, text written testimonial will work for me, because I can truly use that to grow my business. Again, I don't feel like charging y'all all the time. I don't really make my money from this group. So therefore, all I need is y'all to do is to refer me to people, tell people about me, and give me some testimonials. And with that, I can find new clients someplace else. But again, ain't nobody finna get up in this group. We full. Okay? So you can tell them everything you want, but they ain't getting in this group. This is a secret society. And if you win, you win. We good. We family. We cousins, okay? And I'm talking with my hands. But I just remembered I have some place that I need to be. And I can't remember if it starts at 9:30 or 10, but I need to get my ass up and get dressed and go. So I will talk to you guys later. Again, don't keep me a secret. Let the world know. Send me those testimonials, video or just written out. I appreciate y'all. And again, if you guys are in Atlanta between Friday and possibly Monday, I'm not even going to say Monday because I need to get my ass up out of there. Friday and Monday, I'm going to try to do something on Saturday. Right now, I'm just saying 2 o'clock because I have, I'm going to Candytopia, y'all, at 12 on Saturday. So I'm thinking a little bit after that, but it's also my anniversary weekend and my husband's birthday is today. So we'll be kind of celebrating. So I do not want to take that time from him, and my cousin is getting married. So my family will be in town. So I'm just trying to see my internet friends and kiki one time and twerk for the gram. But if you guys can't link up with me, that is fine. It is okay. This is not mandatory. It was nothing that was planned, but I do not want to take all my time away from my family and the people that I love. So I hope you guys understand, but I hope you guys can link up with me somehow, or, you know, we'll figure it out. And I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday, and I'll talk to you guys next time. All right?